Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add items to your liked songs on the Spotify application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And now you should tap on the search icon in order to search for songs that you add to your liked songs section. You can type in the name of the song if you want a particular song in your mind, or if you have a particular song in mind, then tap on the search bar at the top and type in the name of the song. Click on it, and then as you can see, there's a heart icon in the right side of the screen, so click on it, thereby adding it to your liked songs. But you can also select one from the browse all section, but first you need to select a category and then search for a playlist that you are interested in, and here you can find many songs that you can listen to. So with the same method, by clicking on the heart icon, but first you need to click on the three dots icon next to its title and then press the like button. You can check the items of the section called like songs by tapping on the your library section down below, which is the third option. Here there is the liked songs section, which is the first one, and there are all of the items that have been added to this section. If you want to get rid of any of these songs, just simply click on the heart icon and press the button remove. So now, as you can see, you deleted that song from your list. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.